Hi, I'm Debbie Wendt. I've combined my passion for sewing, quilting, and teaching into a business that is, well, it was truly on the go, Wendt Quilting. With the hard stop from COVID, I too have turned to virtual learning. I've already used cameras for close-ups and step demos in my classroom. I've transferred that to online. I have 4 lectures, also called trunk shows, I'd like to share with you today. Plus, I have workshops that can be added for additional learning opportunities. First, Wendt Quilting, Journey of a Quilter. I began my teaching in a home economics classroom. I've worked in a quilt shop, long arm quilted for customers. Now I teach and vend at major shows. I've designed unique patterns and tools for quilting, including brilliant bindings, Hexamajig, and Hexamajig Junior. Second, teaching the world to quilt. Travel along as I take you to the places I have taught quilting. I've had the privilege of living in Cairo, Egypt for 8 years and visited Vietnam and Cambodia several times. Empowering women by teaching them how to quilt is truly an honor. Third, Egyptian tent makers applique. While living in Egypt, I was introduced and befriended the artisans known as the tent makers. They make the beautiful applique decorated panels used as tents and for ceremonies. I will share stories and pieces that I purchased while living in Egypt. Fourth, last, and certainly not least, bindings, a world of options. Bindings are not boring. Be inspired by an array of binding styles I will share for finishing the edges of your quilt, plus demos on how to choose the best binding and fabrics for your quilts. As I mentioned, I can add workshops that correspond with the lectures, from making a tent maker's applique piece, a beginning quilting piece, bindings, and any of the unique patterns and tools. You can find me at wendtquilting.com, that's W-E-N-D-T, on Facebook under the same name, Wendt Quilting, and my blog, debbiewendt.wordpress.com, where I share 2 tips every Tuesday. Thank you for your time and consideration, and be well.